I'm gonna recreate Kareena Kapoor iconic Kajal glam look. Her makeup was always look so soft, glowy, classy and effortless. So today I will show you how I recreate the signature Bollywood glam look step by step. And trust me, the final looks gives you total baby vibes. First I'm starting with my skin prep because Kareena's makeup always look very fresh and skin-like. Firstly, I have applied toner on my face for that refreshed skin, and then I have applied moisturizer for that hydrating skin. Her makeup was never looked so much heavy. It's always more than about a healthy and glowy skin. Next, moving to the base makeup, I have using the concealer. That concealer shade was 2-3 shade darker than my actual skin tone because I want to hide some little bit dark spot, little bit blemishes on my skin. Next, moving to the foundation, I'm using medium coverage foundation. The brand was Mars, and in the shade, I don't know the shade actually. I will mention that shade in the description. And the pro tip it is blend the foundation properly, especially around the mouth and the forehead. For that highlighting concealer, I am brightening my under eyes and slightly lifted the face. Don't use a lot of product at once. Build slowly for that more elegant finish. Now you can see my base. It's actually looking my own skin like. Now for the eye makeup, and honestly this is the main part of this makeup look. I think she usually prefer to goes with brown smoky tones with soft shimmer, I guess. Firstly, I have taken a light brown shade to blending into the crease. Make sure always blend your eye makeup properly because it's make the biggest difference in your eye makeup. Now I am creating a wing liner with the help of this gel liner, and the brand it is Record, and literally trust me guys, Record is the one of the best brand I guess in liners. Kajal lip liner is always literally trustworthy brand it is. Her eye makeup always looks so elegant rather than extra. Now the last, how can we forget that, the kajal, they makes the whole look very iconic. For that I'm using again the Record brand. Don't apply a very thick layer, just seamlessly you applied one layer of kajal in your lower lash line. Next, smudging the lower lash line for with the help of that black eyeshadow for that more smudged, more blurry effect I want in my eyes. I didn't do a lot of drama on my eyes because I literally want a very soft kind of smoky eyes. Next, for the blush I'm gonna use a soft peachy pink shade for that Bollywood healthy glow. I think she naturally have that pink kind of cheeks, I guess. For that I don't have a natural pink kind of glow on my face, that's why I have putting a lot of blush on my cheeks because it looks like her. It makes my looks more elegant like her. Now adding mascara on my lower and upper lashes, and I'm little bit confused in that picture because I think she applied lashes or not. So please comment me that she applied or not. Now for the lips I'm using a pink one kind of shade because Kareena usually prefer to keeps her lips very classy and neutral. This lip combo honestly entirely puts the whole look together. For this lip combo you don't need any lot of shade of lipstick, you just need a peachy kind of shade from your makeup vanity. Just apply it on your lips and then wipe off, and you can see the look was very natural, very classy. And last, top up with a lip gloss. I think I have applied a transparent lip gloss. You can use any kind of lip gloss. Next, I'm using a liquid highlighter. The liquid highlighter is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Glow because I don't have a natural glow on my face. That's why I'm using this highlighter. And the last but not the least, this setting spray. I want my makeup looks very long lasting, dewy and skin based like finish. And this is the final look guys. Tell me in the comment section what did you think about my look. I'm honestly obsessed with how the soft, glamorous and classy the makeup turn out. Tell me in the comment section which celebrity look should I recreate in my next video, and if you like my video please like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, love you all.